Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make this preset from scratch. So it's gonna be a lot of information, a lot to learn. Pause the video as many times as you need and make sure to grab a cup of coffee or something because it's gonna be a lot. So let's go for it. I don't think I have to explain what I'm doing. You all know how to do this. Random 0, phase 0, envelope 0. Set it up to the tempo of your track, 1/16th and 1/128. Repeat for the second envelope, 0, 1/16th, 1/128. Engage the filter, 0, 0 for resonance. We're gonna apply velocity to the level of the oscillator and envelope filter 2 and filter key tracking. Lower the sustain and lower the curve. Almost there. It's a very good starting point. Let's go ahead and process. We're going to apply saturation, multiband saturation. This is not the way Saturn opens up for the first time. This is a preset that I created. All 4 bands are subtle transformer, and the higher bands have 20% drive. Nothing else, just that. Copy the settings, create 3 crossover points by hovering the mouse and clicking. Create 3. And by playing with the 2 first crossover points, we make the face of the bassline fit better with the face of the kick. Let me show you. It's a little bit high. Let's lower the volume to -12. Listen back again. Better. But I'm not happy with the face. Way better. Especially the kick is fatter right now. It sounds bigger and longer. I like it. More sustain. But I don't like the click from the bassline. It's too clicky, too high, too much high frequency. I would like to have it more mid, low mids. The bassline now, it's a very good sound, but we have a few issues still. Let's take a look. The attack of the kick is messed up with Saturn, and without, it goes back to normal. We have a few ways to fix that, but the best way to do it is to bounce the sound. Now that the sound is in audio, we can tell that we have some latency. Fixed. And we can control the end of the notes. And just like that, again, this is a preset of mine, default preset for me. I know it was really fast. I know it's a lot of information, but it's a good starting point to start adding drums or maybe leads, whatever you prefer. But to me, adding more EQ and compression and things like that, it will be a little bit overcooked since we have no sounds to compare with. I think it's a very good starting point. Go ahead, save the presets, do like I do, be smart, save it as a default, so the next time you open LFO tool, the next time you open Saturn, that will be your starting point, which is a very good starting point. And this is it for today. I hope you like it, and I hope to see you on the next one. Ciao!